y'all. Hey, y'all see me trying to be consistent with my videos. I'm trying, y'all. Sometimes consistency is the hardest thing to do, but I am definitely trying to make sure that I push out this good content for you guys. So today I am doing a Euphoria inspired look. This was if I was to be casted in Euphoria, and it's just something about a nice periwinkle blue eyeshadow. And plus, this is a blue eyeshadow that I've been eyeing in the Crayon Case MatteBook palette. I've been eyeing this eyeshadow, but I wasn't sure as to how I was going to wear this eyeshadow. But after the whole Euphoria thing came out, I knew exactly how I was going to do this eyeshadow. So I am taking this periwinkle blue and I am placing it all over my lid. Now, after we have that periwinkle blue all laid down, I am going in with this chocolatey brown color, and I'm placing this out on my outer V, and then I'm also blending it up into the crease. And the setting powder that I placed down under my brow is actually making it easier for this brown to blend out. And now, of course, y'all know I gotta have a little bit of sparkle in my life. So I went into the Crayon Case box of crayon palettes, and I mixed the white and the silver together just to give me like this kind of muted, kind of, I don't know what to really call it, but it's the silver and the white mixed together. And that is what I used in the inner corner, just to, you know, give me that pop of sparkle since everything else is matte. And of course, y'all know I can't do anything without a winged liner, and with this winged liner I actually extended the inner corner, and it's just, y'all, I love me a nice winged eyeliner, okay? And I finally used these Lilly lashes, and y'all, they are so, look, they're so cute and flirty, but not too much, just enough. And of course, we going back in with that Calamine lotion, y'all. She's been giving what she needs to give lately. So if you have not used the Calamine lotion and you are an oily skin girl, or where have you been? What rock have you been under? This is much better for your skin than the Milk of Magnesia, because guess what, y'all? This is actually made for your skin. And today, I don't know why I just did that long pause, but today, you guys, I am finally using my McGrath Labs Sublime concealer. I think that's what it's called, and I got this in an influencer Vox box, y'all. And at first I was like, I don't think this is my shade, I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear this. But y'all, as I'm placing it down, it actually is looking good. The coverage is really good on this concealer. I did end up using the little brush that came with it. It was a nice little brush that came with the kit. Use that, but I am gonna switch to my brush because this is more so of a detailing brush. I feel like that lets you get real close to the under eye, get really close to that inner tear duct. So I am gonna go in with one of my regular brushes that I use for my concealer in order to blend this concealer out. to set the under eye concealer, y'all, I know I am not using a crayon case today, you guys. Y'all know the crayon case is my holy grail setting powder, but I am actually using the McGrath Labs under eye setting powder that came with the concealer that I got from that influencer box. And y'all, this, just look how just smooth it's making my under eye look. Like, my under eye looks so smooth. Not saying that the crayon case setting powder doesn't do it, because it does make my under eye smooth, but this just looks so smooth, so seamless. I really like that under eye setting powder from McGrath Labs. And like I said, I didn't think that I would, but y'all, this under eye setting powder is the business. And y'all, rarely do I put any color on my lower lash line, but today I just felt like that blue deserved more space. It deserved to be on that lower lash line, so that is what I'm putting on the lower lash line, is that periwinkle blue that we placed all over the lid. Keep it real simple, real classic with a nude lip, and this is the Crayon Case Lip Gloss in Clean Kisses. I just feel like if I was to go to Euphoria High, I would wear just a regular nude lip gloss every day. I mean, that's what I wear now, but I just feel like this is what I would wear every day, all day. That nice nude lip gloss. And here is the completed look, you guys. I am in love with this look. I didn't think that it would come out, but it definitely did come out. I'm gonna do a review on the McGrath Labs concealer, so make sure that you guys are on the lookout for that, okay? I want to say thank you for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.